channel.
I could think back to when it was just a notebook paper. I would take the calls myself, so they'd come to me in the field and I would write my information down when it was just me. So I was able to micromanage that pretty well. As I was able to kind of expand the business, now you have staff and employees take over that responsibility. I like being out in the field a lot more than I do being here running the company inside the office. So I like to start pretty early every morning, and having the dispatch app available to me allows me to look at yesterday's activity, see what's going on today, and then can get the plan ready for what's going the rest of the week. My name is Kevin Petit. I'm the owner of Smokey's Garage Door. I've been in the business since 1982, so I've been in the business a long time. I'm a LiftMaster Pro Vantage dealer, and we do residential garage door and opener repair here in Glendale, Arizona. I've been fortunate to work with Dispatch for right about 2.5 years now, so I think we were one of the early members in the Phoenix market. Our average review is substantially higher than it has been in the past, and I can attribute that without question to the efficiencies that Dispatch brings through better communication with every customer and better communication between my office staff and every technician in the field. So that ties in immediately to a better customer experience and more profitability for me as a business owner. One of the really neat things I like about the Dispatch is the color coding of each technician's route. The ability to see different colors assigned to each technician and see where their route takes them each day, that's a huge, huge thing for me. Every contact you have with a customer, be it from the phone staff to the technician, is time-stamped. So I know when each technician starts his drive towards a customer's house. I know when each technician starts their work. I know when it's completed. I know that automatically a review request is sent out to every single Dispatch customer, which is really an excellent, excellent feature. I love that. And I know when my technician finishes his day. So much of that time stamping is also very, very valuable to me as an owner of a company. We see customers are better informed on the whole process. When we say we're on our way, they receive note of that. They can actually even watch us on their device as we drive to their house.
In a world where so few people actually want to get on the phone to communicate to you, that feature alone is priceless. I've personally got 17 years doing this. Dispatch Me was the first time in all these years that I have one central location to communicate a message.
So overall, the relationship that I've built with Dispatch has benefited my company tremendously. The morale within my company has been improved. The communication I have with every customer is improved. So it's been a fantastic relationship, but I'm really looking forward to see what Dispatch has in mind for what's coming next.